What if one of the best opportunities in Westport wasn't about the house at all? So welcome to 422 Riverside Avenue, known historically as Twin Hickories. Set on 1.1 dry acres in one of Westport's most sought-after locations, Saugatuck. This property offers beautiful views overlooking the Saugatuck River and an opportunity that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. Now, what makes this property especially intriguing is its history. According to records from the Connecticut Historical Commission, the property was originally part of the Franklin M. Raymond estate. The original structure began as a barn dating back to approximately 1880 before being thoughtfully converted into a residence during the 1930s. So more than a century later, it remains a fascinating piece of Westport's architectural story. Today, buyers are presented with a rare choice: preserve and restore the property with deep historical roots, or reimagine the existing structures, or take advantage of the exceptional site, create something entirely new. With access from both Riverside Avenue and Cherry Lane, and no wetlands, having half-acre zoning and beautiful views of the Saugatuck River, the possibilities here are remarkable. Just minutes to downtown Westport, the train station, shopping, restaurants, parks, and award-winning schools. The property offers the perfect combination of privacy, convenience, and long-term value. Listen, in a town where land is limited and opportunities like this are rare to overcome, this house at 422 Riverside Avenue invites imagination. So, would you restore this house? Would you reimagine it? Or would you build your dream house here? Let's go inside and take a look. So I really like these historic homes. Again, it was built originally back in 1880. And then they built this house in 1930, but it's really cool. I mean, you've got the hand-hewn wood beams and the oak floors throughout. These pillars are just made out of logs, and the tall ceilings. And I can really picture somebody coming in here and restoring it back to its original beauty. Or, I can picture something totally opposite. It's just an amazing home with a lot of history. I wish the walls could talk. With over 3,000 square foot of living space and 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, second fireplace I see here, high ceilings, and again, these beams, I can see somebody just really, using their imagination and just going wild in this place, bringing it back to its original beauty, or like I said before, a developer or a speculator having their own thoughts. Okay, so thanks again for coming on this tour of 422 Riverside Avenue in the Saugatuck part of Westport. Again, a special property, 1.1 acres in a half-acre zone, 2 dual entries, one from Cherry, one from Riverside Avenue, a historic home built in 1880, and then again, made into a residence in 1930. If you're interested in taking a look at this property or have any questions, you can obviously give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.